Are you someone who usually celebrates Valentine's Day each year? If so, mark your calendars for 2046, because NASA's Planetary Defense Office is keeping an eye on a newly discovered asteroid that has a small probability of hitting Earth in 23 years. This asteroid has been making headlines lately due to its proximity to Earth. This asteroid was just discovered on the 26th of February by Georges Attard and Alain Maury from an asteroid search program. This asteroid is known as 2023 DW. It has a diameter of 50 meters, which is equivalent to an Olympic-sized swimming pool, and is likely to pass Earth at a distance of 1.8 million kilometers. But there's nothing to worry about, as the asteroid isn't concerning for planet Earth, as it only has a 0.2% chance or about 1 in 607 chance of collision with Earth, according to NASA. However, the agency requires additional time to gather more data to determine whether or not it poses a threat to our planet, as the NASA Asteroid Watch page tweeted. Often, when new objects are first discovered, it takes several weeks of data to reduce the uncertainties and adequately predict their orbits years into the future. Orbit analysts will continue to monitor asteroid 2023 DW and update predictions as more data comes in. Piero Ciccoli tweeted a picture of all the possible impact spots on February 14, 2046, but these are merely estimates, as the asteroid still has 23 years to travel through space and are not in the guaranteed zones of impact. So, there is no reason to worry about Valentine's Day plans yet. We hope you found this information useful. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.